Bigay dito kang Maki Pellegrino. Cayetano, 3 on the way. Misses. And Baterbonia cleans it up for the first bucket of the game for Rene Baterbonia.
Davao Region crashing the boards. They have the size advantage inside. Southern Tagalog
Puts it right back. That won't go. Rebound by Baterbonia. Good.
basket and one. Smart right here for Davao Region, especially in the interior. They are crushing the boards. First personal foul. Early foul here for Direct.
But ball back into the hands of Rices Bayenting. Here comes Pellegrino on the high post. Labas kang Rices Bayenting. And there's that tight defense. Pellegrino, he'll try a three. Right at the buzzer. Pellegrino gets it right back. Puts it up and in.
After the timeout, here's Maki gliding. Puts it in.
You can see the athleticism that for the Eagles.
Maki not settling for a lot of jump shots. This time, kahapon, we saw him on the perimeter, on the outside, forcing shots. This time, he is really agad with those jump shots. This time, alam niya, kaya niyang atakihin ng loob. As that high-low play, Baterbonia able.
And here comes Rices Bayenting. Pellegrino, Baterbonia throws it down, but hold on, there's a whistle.
39 left.
On. Baterbonia having a silent first half. Bayenting thought about it. Leans in, babalik ang Pellegrino.
Game plan here.
Pellegrino accelerating, pushing the pace. Rebound tracked down by Baterbonia. And two more free. Mintisimo is powered by J Project Sports. That free throw is good. Under 3 minutes to play dito sa out from Panaligan. Baterbonia playing physical against
Between him and Duterte inside.
knocks down Calabar Zone Heroes. They're still on top, double digits. Trying to trim down the deficit. Foul line jumper. And rebound.
Bonus is here. If they're unable to convert those two shots, this time containing etong Davao Region to their game.
We play on. Here comes Derek Duterte. Muscling his way. He puts it up. Blocked by Baterbonia. The cleanup. Rolls out. Another chance. That won't go. Baterbonia step. Balik sa labas kang Pellegrino. Great closeout. He pulls up. Jumper is up and missed. Rebound.